Today we're going to demonstrate how to set up the Gilson HM-602W Pendulum Skid Tester. The Pendulum Skid Tester, also known as the British Pendulum Tester, effectively measures the skid resistance between a rubber slide and a test surface, such as a road surface, in accordance with ASTM and ASHTO standards. To set up the Pendulum Skid Tester, you first secure the rear leg to the main frame. Next, attach the pendulum arm. Snap the arm to the catch hook, and then tighten the connection between the frame and the arm with the C-spanner. Now, attach the slider. Next, using the spirit level the unit. Be sure to lock the feet once the unit is leveled. Adjust the height of the pendulum arm so that the arm can swing freely without any contact to the testing surface. Now position the pointer so that the pointer is parallel to the pendulum arm and against the pointer stop. Adjust the pointer so it is in line with the mark on the scale plate. Next, we're going to zero the unit. Now return the arm to the catch hook. Position the pointer so that the pointer is parallel to the pendulum arm. Release the pendulum arm. As the pendulum arm swings, the pointer is carried with it. Catch the pendulum arm once it completes its maximum forward swing. The pointer will remain at the maximum forward swing position. The objective for this setup is for the pointer to rest at zero. You can fine-tune the zero settings by adjusting the friction discs. Repeat at least 3 times to confirm the zero setting. With the pendulum arm hanging freely, place the spacer just below the slider. Adjust the height of the arm so that the slider just touches the spacer. Now, we're going to check the sliding length using the sliding ruler. Using the marks on the ruler as your targets, adjust the arm height so the slider makes first contact on the test surface on the left. And then adjust the arm height so the slider makes first contact on the right. Double check to confirm proper sliding length. Be sure to tighten the rear clamping plate to hold the pendulum arm at the correct height. Snap the pendulum arm to the catch hook and position the pointer parallel to the arm. Now you are ready to begin your skid test. Release the pendulum arm carrying the pointer with it. Catch the pendulum arm once it completes its maximum forward swing. The pointer will now indicate the skid resistance of the test surface. Next, repeat the skid test per test specifications. For any questions concerning the Gilson HM-602W Pendulum Skid Tester, or for any Gilson product, please contact the Gilson Technical Support Team.